In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a goal tracker in Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet. We'll set up a simple, flexible layout that makes it easy to see where you're headed and how far you've come. In the very first row, type your headers across the columns. In A1, type Goal. In B1, type Target Amount. In C1, type Progress Made. In D1, type Percentage Achieved. In E1, type Status, and you can use labels like Not Started, In Progress, or Completed. Finally, in F1, type Due Date. These headers are the backbone of your tracker, so keep them consistent. Next, start entering your goals from row 2 downward. In the Goal column, write the specific objective, like save $1,000 or run 50 miles. In Target Amount, enter the numeric target, such as 1,000. In Progress Made, type how much you've already achieved so far, like 200. In Due Date, enter the target date you want to complete the goal by. Don't worry if you don't have everything figured out yet. You can always come back and edit these details as your plans evolve. Now let's calculate progress automatically. Click into cell D2 and enter the formula, XIFERER C2B20. This divides the progress you've made by the total target to show how far along you are. IFERER simply prevents messy errors if you haven't entered numbers yet. After you press enter, you'll see a decimal. To make it read as a percentage, apply the percent format from the toolbar and adjust the decimal places if you want. Then copy that formula down column D so it applies to every goal you add. For an at-a-glance status, we'll use the status column. Select the entire E column, then go to Format and choose Conditional Formatting. Add rules so that when the cell says Completed, it fills green. When it says In Progress, it fills yellow, and when it says Not Started, it fills red. This makes it much easier to scan your list and immediately see what needs attention. You can type these statuses manually for each goal, and if you prefer, you can tie your status choices to the percentage achieved later as your system matures. From here, tracking is simple. As you make progress, update the progress made number for each goal. The percentage achieved will recalculate instantly, and your status coloring will reflect what you've entered. Keep the sheet open in a tab or revisit it regularly to build momentum. With this setup, your goals are clear, your progress is visible, and your next action is always obvious.